Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Box for AI permissions automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Box website by typing box.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button on the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your account password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. After filling in your credentials, click the Sign In button. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Box dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Settings icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the menu options. In the Account Settings, look for the Permissions tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Permissions tab to view your user permissions. Here, you can manage permissions for AI automation features. To set specific permissions, toggle the options as needed. Once you have made your adjustments, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Your new settings will now be applied. If you need to modify any integrations, navigate to the Integrations tab next. Follow the prompts to adjust any AI integration settings as required. Finally, log out of your account by clicking on your profile picture. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.